If you've been thinking about relocating to Indianapolis and considering a 55 and better community, one of the things that you might be considering is building in a 55 and better community. So today I'm going to break down the top 3 names that you are likely to encounter if you're considering building: Epcon, Webb, and Lennar's Osborne Trails. It's important to understand some of the key differences between these types of communities because when you want a 55 and better community, you want more than just a house. You really want to make sure that your complete lifestyle is taken care of. Hi, I am Malinda Ennis, and I am a local real estate professional. My team and I help clients relocate to Indiana from all across the country and even the world. And if you haven't already watched part 1 of this series, that's where I go into how lifestyle, location, and why a 55 and better community isn't just for retirees. You might want to check it out. Our first builder is Epcon, and they are all about luxury and single level living. They were pioneered back in 1986, and they've really been perfecting this luxury approach ever since. A couple of things that really stand out is all of their houses have a signature courtyard so that you're not looking at your neighbor. It's private. You can customize, and you will see one of those that we're going to tour today. And also, they have what's called a QualityMark inspection. That is a little bit more intense than a normal inspection. So before you even move in, a separate quality control team does a full inspection to make sure that everything meets their high standards, as opposed to saying, we'll fix it after closing. So they try to eliminate all of the surprises. And as you would expect in a 55 and better community, their HOA takes care of all of the exterior maintenance for you. And again, you're going to get a glimpse at what this looks like as we walk through one of their model homes. Join us now as we walk through Epcon's version of their single level, low maintenance living and 55 and better communities. One of their claims to fame is they build the home with angles so that they have a beautiful courtyard that you can customize to your specifications, including a plunge pool, and have the outside come in. So as we walk through this model home, you will see how all of the rooms are centered around the courtyard. Not only that, this particular model also has a suite upstairs. So it offers you approximately 2,200 square feet and 9-foot ceilings, expansive living area for you to enjoy low maintenance living and lifestyle. Up next, we have Webb. They've been building active adult communities for well over 60 years, and they lean really heavily into community connection. They try and create basically like you are on vacation when you live in their communities and have nothing else to leave for, unless you live in the Midwest and you want to get some warmth in the wintertime. Otherwise, they try to provide everything you need right there. They even have lifestyle directors. These are full-time staff, and their whole job is to plan events, social activities, wellness, and just things to keep you engaged as a neighbor. So stay with us as we tour one of the Webb homes as well. Webb's Kimblewood community offers a really terrific lifestyle for you. It's really like being on vacation, but right at home. Being a 55 and better community, they take care of your exterior lawn maintenance. They take care of snow removal. They turn on and off your sprinkler systems. You just have to set the water temperature. And their HOA even covers your internet access. And the clubhouse, it has a variety of amenities: indoor, outdoor pool. They actually have 2 dog parks. They have miles of walking trails. So today we're going to walk you through one of the 3 series of homes that they offer, which is called the Churchman series, a very expansive great room with 2 ensuite bedrooms to choose from, a dedicated office space, and a lifestyle that is sure to please you if you want to live in a 55 and better community. Now, if you're enjoying this video and learning about the 55 and better communities and relocating to Indiana, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. And let me know in the comments which builder you like out of the ones that we'll be reviewing today. Lastly, we're going to talk about Lennar's Osborne Trails. It was actually the first 55 and better community built in Westfield, Indiana, and they built it from the ground up. But here's what's really special about Lennar. As you may recall, if you've seen my video where I walked through Lennar as a builder, don't forget to check that out. They have an everything's included approach to their build quality. So that would include quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, upgraded flooring, all of the smart home features that you would imagine. Those are built into Lennar's homes. And they have a resort type feel. Think walking trails, clubhouses, just everything again for your lifestyle they tried to put into this community. So stay with me as we walk through one of Lennar's options in a 55 and better community. Today we are at Lennar's Osborne Trails. It is Westfield's first 55 and better community. This particular floor plan offers 2 bedrooms, a nice flex space to make into a den, an office, or whatever you'd like for it to be. The community offers a variety of amenities as well. So follow us as we take a look at what it has to offer. When I work with clients, I look at more than just the builder's name, whether it's Epcon, Webb, or Lennar, because it's about matching your lifestyle to what you want, whether it's privacy, low maintenance, a full calendar of events, resort style living, or if you need room for family to be there, the right choice and the right floor plan has to match your lifestyle to make your days be as easy or as full as you'd like for them to be. So if you're relocating to the Greater Indianapolis area and you want to explore 55 and better communities in person or virtually, let's connect. My team and I would love to be your agent of choice. You can find my contact information in the description below to book a call with me. Don't forget, like this video and subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comments which of these builders would be your top choice and why. Thanks so much for hanging out with me today, and I'll catch you in the next video.